Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the volume increment on your remote using your Firestick. So just go over to settings right here and select this. Scroll on down and let's go to equipment control. Then under here, let's go to manage equipment and go to my TV. So maybe you got a soundbar under here too. You can go to this under there as well. So I'm going to go to volume increments, and I can press the fast forward button to increase it, or I can press the rewind button to decrease it right here. And then you should be good to go. Now, if you are stuck where it's not like scrolling really quick or it's only going up one increment at a time, you may have added like a soundbar. Just go through this menu and reset that to defaults and get rid of your soundbar. And I saw that actually works. Maybe your soundbar is causing that issue or something like that. But then you can re-add it and see if that works. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.